Hello YouTube, hope you are doing well. Today I am here to show you how to delete YouTube video. So without any delay, let's move to our topic. Open your browser, then open your YouTube. After opening YouTube, simply go to Creator Studio or YouTube Studio. Now move to videos from the left side menu. Here are the videos which you uploaded on your YouTube channel. If you want to delete any video, simply select the video. So after selecting video, here is the more actions option. Click on it. After clicking, here are two options like download and delete forever. You simply press delete forever. Here confirmation message. I understand that deleting is permanent and cannot be undone. Select it and press delete forever. So it takes some time. Wait. So guys, here you can see that the video is deleted. Refresh this page and the video is deleted. So guys, this is a simple way to delete a video from YouTube channel. Hope this video helped to solve your problem of how to delete a video from YouTube channel. If you have any question, you can ask that question in comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.